How to get WhatsApp backup from iCloud to Android. Now, in this video, I'll show you how you can get backup chats or any files you want to back up from the WhatsApp using your iCloud and transferring it over into your Android device. It's very simple. Now, all you have to do from your iPhone first is once you log in into WhatsApp, here's what you need to do first. At the top right, you simply tap on the three dots, then go into settings. Now from here, all I have to do is go into chats and then scroll away from the bottom part of these option. Now choose on chat backup. Now this is what you're gonna have to do first. You need to tap on backup and it will automatically be stored into your iCloud. However, it will not do anything from the file itself because the phone number that you're using is gonna be the same if you switch into your Android device. Now, once you've chosen the backup option, you can now then log out from this device and then log in into the Android device and make sure to use the same phone number and turn on sync, and it will automatically provide you all the message that you have from iCloud, swapping it over into Android. And that's how you get WhatsApp backup from iCloud to Android.